As you can see here, my battery health is currently at 77. Turn off the iPhone completely. Remove the two screws at the bottom of the device. Carefully lift the screen from the frame. Don't force it. Always disconnect the battery connector first before disconnecting the screen connectors. If the battery adhesive is difficult to remove, you can use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to help loosen it. Clean the inside of the phone and remove any remaining adhesive or dirt. Pay special attention to the edges where the new battery will sit. Now take your replacement battery and carefully position it inside the phone, but don't connect the battery yet. First, reconnect the screen cables. After that, connect the new battery cable to the motherboard. Carefully close the screen and reinstall the metal brackets and screws. Turn the iPhone back on. Depending on the iPhone model, you may also need to configure the battery information after the replacement. And that's it for part 1. If you want to see what happens next and how I check and configure the replacement battery, make sure you watch part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more repair tutorials here on Selby Tech Hub. I'll see you in part 2.